In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade with Thinkorswim platform. The first thing you want to do is open Thinkorswim on whichever version you prefer, whether that's desktop, web, or mobile. Once you're in, log in using your Schwab credentials. Before placing any trade, make sure your account is funded and approved for the type of product you want to trade. That could include stocks, options, futures, or Forex. This is important because some products require specific permissions before you can place orders. After you're logged in, go to the Trade tab at the top of the platform. This is where you'll access the main trading areas. Inside this section, you may see several workspaces including all products for stocks, ETFs, and options, Forex Trader for currencies, Futures Trader for futures contracts, and Active Trader if you want a more fast-paced layout for active trading. Next, find the symbol box and type in the ticker or market symbol you want to trade. For example, you might enter AAPL, TSLA, SPY, or a Forex pair like EUR/USD. Once you enter the symbol, Thinkorswim will display useful market data such as the current price, the bid, the ask, volume, and the day's high and low. Take a moment to look over this information before moving forward since it helps you understand what the market is doing right now. To create an order, click the ask price if you want to buy, or click the bid price if you want to sell. When you do that, an order ticket will automatically appear in the order entry section. This is where you'll build the trade. Now choose your order type. Common order types include market, which places the trade immediately at the best available price. Limit, which places the order at a specific price. Stop, which triggers a trade when price reaches a certain level. And stop limit, which combines both stop and limit controls. In many cases, the default order type is limit, so always double check this before sending anything. After that, enter your position size. Depending on what you're trading, this could mean the number of shares for stocks, the number of contracts for options, or the lot size for Forex.